What's that?
Oh, what's that?
That'd be me, Olly. You want to see a bird? You got to sound like a bird. Nice and peaceful like.
I see one! I see one! Look, on the fence over there!
Careful, Royston. You're scaring the birds away. Oh, no. They've all gone.
Oh, not all of them, Olly. The one I spotted is still there. Look. Oh, I think it's a chaffinch or a budgie or maybe...
An old rag hanging off the fence.
Well, don't worry. We'll just wait here until the birds come back.
Well, not while they can see old Royston here. All bright red and that.
Oh, Jethro's right, Olly. I'm too loud and too colourful. I don't blend in enough to go bird watching.
You make a good scarecrow, though.
Hang on. Royston, stay there. I've got an idea.
Easy, Olly. What are you up to now? Oh, no!
Hey, that's not very nice, Olly.
Don't worry, Jethro. Oh, I think I know what Olly's doing.
Hey! You're blending now, Royston.
Thanks, Olly. Now I really blend in with the woods.
So let's spot some birds. Sparrows and blue tits, it's birds that we spot.
Cuckoos and magpies, you see such a lot.
Chaffinch and robins all up in the trees.
A dove on your back, beware you don't sneeze.
Some thrush and blackbirds out making a nest.
Woodpecker, skylark, but sporting is the best.
Whoa, that was fun! Thanks for helping me blend in, Olly.
You're welcome, Royston. I've had a fantastic day. But look, how are we going to get clean? We're completely covered.
Don't worry, Olly. I've got a few good friends who can help us.
Okay, boys, let's get them clean.
Olly the Little White.
Wizz, the home of ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, and all your favourite kids' TV characters. Now let's find Kids TV. Or I can press this microphone. Wizz. That's how easy it is.